Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm continuing working on the 2018 GMC Sierra. I know it should have been done long ago, but things didn't work the way they should, and that's where it's at right now. But we're getting to the end, so today is gonna be another day closer to the end. And as you guys remember in the previous episode, I was trying to figure it out what's causing the stability track on, which is angle sensor, and second of all, heater doesn't work properly. So I decided that leave it for later on until I get more time to figure it out. Probably I'm gonna have to pull the dash out. I think I will have to, cause there's one thing and I'm thinking working not properly, so that leads me to probably gonna have to pull the dash out. But finger crossed it's not, but I'm about 80% positive that we'll have to pull the dash out. So that's something I'm gonna be doing the other day, but today I want to do some other things. Let's just show you what I'm gonna do, and then I'll tell you what I'm gonna start on first. As you can see over here, I have a fender liners, two brackets over here for fender liners. This one needs to be sanded down and painted. As you can see, it's been burnt. So also you can see the bearing over here. I think this wheel bearing is bad, making a lot of noise. Honestly, I don't think that should be that much noise even with this kind of tires. So that's gonna be replaced, that's gonna be installed. Those goes on top of the roof, which are those things over there. And of course I need to install the diff plate, or how you wanna call this, but it goes over here to cover the diff so you don't hit it with anything. And that's basically gonna be for now. And also I'm gonna have to weld the exhaust. And the tip actually other day fell off, so I got home, it was hanging like this and I just broke it off. Now it looks ugly, so that needs to be fixed. So that is a plan for right now. That's what I'm gonna be doing, and there's other things needs to be done. I'm just probably missing something, but that's kind of enough to keep me busy for a while. So the first thing, I'm gonna start with the roof moldings. I need to clean those, install, and then I'm probably gonna jump on the wheel. We'll see. Let's get the moldings first. Just that's it, the top is looks like finally complete. Now let's just get this wheel off, disassemble everything on the suspension that I need in order to replace the wheel hub. I have a bad news over here. You can see how this one is leaking. That means this tie rod is not good. That needs to be replaced. So alignment needs to be passed again. Oh man. Oh, why I'm so unlucky with this truck, I don't get it. One thing after another. This needs to be replaced also. There's, you can see that little hole over there? Oh, it doesn't want to focus. Come on, baby. Come on, you can do it. But anyway, you guys can see it. So needs to be replaced also. Again, suspension work Sucks. I knew I should have bought the new ones, not the used ones. The ones from burn truck or the used ones. I should have just went and bought the new ones. Oh well, lesson learned. Now I'll have to change it and not to pass, do alignment again. Oh well, what can you do about it? Nothing. Let's just get this caliper off. Then there's I think T30. Take that off, take this bolt nut off, and basically, oh, actually there's 4 more bolts. That's one over there, and 2 on other side, same exact thing. And then I'm gonna be able to pull this bearing out. Hopefully you're not gonna give me a hard time. Let's fun begin. As you guys can see, I took this bearing off. So honestly, I don't know. It's kinda, I think it's good. About same. But who knows? To be safe, I'll use this one. So that's how it looks. I'll disassemble this one right now. Hopefully I'm gonna be able to easily get this torque specs off, and then I was gonna be able to get this brake drum off, and then I'm gonna be able to install whole thing back in its spot. Moving along pretty good. Let's just continue.
And this is ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. And this is ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I'm a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it. And this is ticket talking.
That's it. I installed everything back in place. It's assembled, and finger crossed this won't make any noises no more. Hopefully that was the issue. But while this wheel is off, now it's gonna be easy to install. The bracket goes over here, which is that one over there. 3 bolts, and then I'm gonna be able to install this Fender liner back in its spot, and that should give us complete look on it. But honestly, I don't know if I should install it, because I want to trim this out. I think I should be able to trim this out without anything with the Fender liner. Yeah, coming along actually nicer than I thought it would. It's awesome. So let's just continue assembling and see how everything basically gonna start looking, because this is the last pieces that needs to be done outside, I believe. Awesome. This is the feeling when you're almost done with the truck, except I can't, of course, heater. I don't want to pull that dash out. Honestly, I'm not looking forward to do that. Oh well, let's not worry about that. Let's worry about this right now. Guys, check this out. Now it looks a lot cleaner and a lot nicer. Man, finally, they're back in place. So this basically goes inside till over here. So whatever I cut out over here, see, it's not gonna stick out, which is really awesome, cause I was thinking about it and man, like, how am I gonna do this, how am I gonna do that, but it worked out in my favor. Really awesome. I'm happy about it. And again, it's almost done. I wish I didn't screw up those flares. It would be complete on this side. Oh well, it is what it is. What can you do about it? Let's just fix them and install them. But other than that, I love it. It looks awesome. It looks good. Come on guys, don't you like it? Compare what it was, what is it now? But now let's get this liner and let's throw it over here. I'm not gonna get the wheel off of this one. I'm just gonna throw the liner there, put the screws, and that's it. Check this side. Man, you can clearly see all the guts inside there. Oh man, that's awesome. That's really awesome. Looks good. Now there's no guts. Getting there guys, getting there. So let's install this side and then, you know, I'll jump in on the blade that covers the diff, front axle actually, and install it. And also I'm not gonna be fixing that bracket over there because I found the original one. It was slightly dented, but I fixed it, so you can see dented over there, but it's fixed. Let's install this one first, then liner, and I think I'm gonna go try it and see if it still makes the noise from the road when you're doing 40, 45, 50, 55. So guys, I did it, everything that I can today. As you can see, it's getting dark and I don't know, for some reason this camera doesn't pick up good quality when it's a little bit dark, but this Fender liner is back. And I was gonna install the skid plate for the front axle, but I'm missing 2 nuts. You can see I have 4 bolts with the washers, but I'm missing 2 nuts, so I'm gonna grab those on the way back home. I'll purchase and I'm gonna be able to install it. And I guess tomorrow I can start buffing, so finger crossed it's gonna be cloudy tomorrow and I can buff it out, and hopefully maybe tomorrow, maybe day after, I can paint the flares and a few other things, and it should be done outside. I mean, buffing, I'm not gonna put any badges. I wanna debadge it completely. You can't tell if it's Z71, 3500 or anything. It's gonna be clean look without any badges, and that's it. After buffing, am I gonna consider also do the ceramic coating? We'll see, I don't know yet. It's kind of big truck to do the ceramic coating. Buffing plus ceramic coating, it's gonna take a while, but in the future that would help a lot, whoever gonna owns this truck. Right now let's hop in the truck and check and see if the wheel hub making that noise. Not the wheel hub, I believe it's a wheel hub bearing, if it's continuing making a noise or not, or if it's got better. Let's go check it out and see what's changed. Oops. I guess you guys already know what is it. Yep, I'm gonna have to cut this out, but I'll talk about it tomorrow. Okay, moment of the truth. Let's see. 18 miles, 20. No, it was actually, honestly, I don't know. You can hear clearly it's making noise, but now I think it's the tires. I don't think this is the hub or bearing. Yeah, because when you turn, it doesn't actually make extra noise. It does have a noise, road noise a little, but like I said, it's not a critical. This is the tires, this is not a bearing. But I think the noise was a lot bigger compared to now. Yeah, it's good. Let's go home. It is good that everything is good. That's it gonna be for today. I'll catch you tomorrow. Next day here, guys, and I'm gonna continue working on the truck. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go to Napa store. I called them already. They have upper control arms for both sides, inner and outer tie rods. They don't have a pin arm, but that's something I might gonna just order it and pick up on the way back home tomorrow, cause I want to take care of the issue. They're leaking, and I should have just bought a new ones and didn't use the ones from the burnt truck, or should not go to junkyard and purchase the other ones. So lesson learned, it's better buying new. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's about a 40-minute drive. Let's hop in the truck, go there, pick up the parts, come back, and hopefully it's gonna be enough daylight time to install them. So let's not waste the time and let's go. Alright guys, this is it. This is all the parts that I got. Upper control arms, that's the big box. Oh man, let's see. I didn't check it at the store again, but hopefully it's good. Looks like it is good, brand new, so that's awesome. Let's see, there's another one over here, outer tie rods, and I think this is the inner tie rods. Yep, this is the inner one. That's it guys, and also you can see how much daylight I have left. There's none, so basically I'm not gonna work it today. I'll do it tomorrow. I'll park it here again and basically gonna replace all those parts. And I guess it's a good thing that I'm not gonna be working today, because pin arm should be here tomorrow. So on the way back home I'll pick it up and gonna rebuild the front end again, then gonna pass the alignment. Hopefully this week I'll be done with the flares and they can be painted. But yeah, you saw how much time it takes. That's how it is. That's what I have to deal with all the time. That's how life goes. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow.